Simple method on how to make pineapple drinks that boost your immune system. If this is meant for you, my channel, my name remains Toluwani. On this channel, I upload videos on businesses, on career, and on education. If today is your first time of seeing this channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. To my new subscribers, welcome. So let's go right into the. This is my pineapple, my diced pineapple. I've sliced it and it is diced. And I have here my ginger. It has been peeled. And this here, in the third cup, I'm having inside it a squeezed lemon. It has been squeezed and I've extracted the water out and it's there. So how do you want to go about this? So it's two methods that you can use. So I'm making use of my juice extractor. So which is this? So I'll need to be putting my pineapple and the ginger inside it to extract the water. You can also make use of your blender if you don't have the juice extractor. So I am through with the extraction now. Pineapple and ginger, they are antioxidants and also anti-inflammatory. So I will need to add my lemon into it. Then our juice is ready to serve.